In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in PDF. Before we jump into Acrobat, make sure the artwork you want to use is already saved as a PDF. This can be a logo, a signature, or any graphic. Using a clean, high-resolution PDF helps your stamp look crisp at any size. If your design has a transparent background, keep it that way when you export. It will sit nicely on top of documents without a white box around it. Now open Adobe Acrobat. We're going to start by opening the file where you plan to place the stamp. In the upper left corner, click the main menu and choose Open. Navigate to the PDF you want to mark up, select it, and click Open again. You should now see your document on screen. Look to the left-hand side for the Tools panel and find Add a Stamp. Depending on your layout, it may be within the Comment tools. Click Add a Stamp, then choose Custom Stamp. This is where we'll bring your PDF artwork into Acrobat's stamp library. Click Create to start a new custom stamp. Next, click Browse, locate the PDF that contains your stamp design, and select it. When you're sure you've got the right file, click OK to import it. Acrobat will load that file and prepare it to be used like any other stamp. You'll be asked to select a category. Pick an existing category that makes sense for you, such as personal, business, or any group you already use, so you can quickly find the stamp later. After you've chosen the category that fits, click OK to finish. That's it. Your custom stamp is now saved inside Acrobat. The next time you choose Add a Stamp, you'll find it in the category you selected, ready to place on any page. If the stamp looks too large or small when you use it, you can resize it as you place it without affecting the saved version. If it appears blurry, go back to your original artwork and export a higher quality PDF before creating the stamp again. A quick recap: have your stamp design ready as a PDF, open your target document in Acrobat, go to Add a Stamp, create a new custom stamp, browse to your PDF, confirm it, select a category, and click OK. Follow these steps and you'll have professional, reusable stamps that keep your workflow fast and consistent across all your PDFs.